It's another snowy first alert action day, so you're probably not thinking about hail season quite yet. But to prevent a big insurance claim when hail season inevitably arrives later this year, you're going to want to start getting ready now. And here to discuss this is AAA insurance expert Skyler Mckinley. Thanks for being here today.
Of course.
So first of all, why is it important to start talking about hail season now?
We have talked a lot about hail over the years. We're doing it a little bit earlier this year because hail is going to happen. It's a fact of life in Colorado. We're #2 in the country for hail claims. 50% of the premiums you pay go into hail. It's going to hail. Getting ahead of it now, making sure your house is ready, making sure you have the proper insurance is really critical, because once that storm hits, and it will hit, there's going to be long lines for repair and long lines talking to insurance agents. So get ready now. We'll save you a lot of money and maybe prevent a lot of damage.
Yeah, that storm hit me when I was on my road bike in the middle of nowhere last year. So they come in fast. What can people do right now to get ready for when the storms come?
Make sure you've got a good helmet if you're biking regularly. Yeah. But beyond that, go up on your roof when it dries out a little bit and it's safe to go up there. Check for worn or damaged shingles. Check for any water damage. The nice thing about all the moisture we've been having is that your roof will tell you if it's leaking. If you've sustained damage from the storm last year, it's really key that you get that replaced right now, especially if you filed an insurance claim, because that won't help you past a year. And if you sustain damage in a future storm caused by water due to not getting your roof fixed, that's not going to be covered. You also want to make sure you've got the right car insurance. So in Colorado, if you want hail to be covered, you need comprehensive coverage. If you're driving a junker or a beater car you don't care about anymore, you can probably downgrade to collision. But there's just a lot of insurance checkboxes you need to hit to be safe and keep your property safe.
Never be too prepared. Who can help with this sort of thing?
I like working with a local agent. We talk about this a lot. I don't like if I had to call an agent in California who's not used to getting our storms. My agent in Colorado knows what we're dealing with and knows how to kind of work me through the system if a storm were to happen, or to make sure I've got the right coverage at the right price. So we can help you find a local agent who knows this stuff at AAA.com/insurance.
All right, and if you are new to Colorado, we get big, massive hailstorms.
Billions of dollars in damage every year.
Yeah, be ready for it. All right, thank you,
Thanks.
Skyler.